Every leader has been there. You finish the 60-minute meetings, taking a 2-3 page of the machine notes in your diary, and still you are not able to understand what is the actionable point, who is doing what and when. In a business, we call it the administrative waste. Many managers spending too much hours to taking the more notes. Today I will show you how you can turn these messy meeting notes into the actionable item within a 15 seconds. No more texting, just pure execution. I have open ChatGPT. Now watch the magic will happen. First, I am uploading my meeting notes from the morning meeting. Second, I am uploading the execution prompts which I have saved earlier, which tell ChatGPT to act as a senior operation manager, read all the issues, problem and the target date PIC from the meeting notes, make actions from that, and also highlighted what are the critical leaks based on the top 2 tasks and what are the strategic actions need to ask during the follow-up meeting. Look at that, it is reading my notes very much clearly. It is giving the issue wise, production, quality, maintenance, safety and the scrap, and when the next meeting will be happen. It is also give summary now, which is, look at that, this is the most important part, which is giving it's creating the action plan. See that it is what was the issues: production related 15% drop due to the door fitting issue, department is the production, PIC Rahul, target date 20 and the high priority. Same way, if you see that some another issues, PP compliance check for the new operator line 3, department safety, PIC is Bunty and the target date is 19 March, priority is high. So it is giving a very clear action plan, who is doing what and the when. Third thing is that it is also give the critical risk for the top 3 actions which leaders need to focus. First is the production throughput risk, which is give the root cause, most probably slow door fitting, possible design to the root cause. Risk continuous loss of the daily output if I didn't address this problem. And the second topmost critical issue highlighted, safety compliant risk, new operator working, the confirm the BP, what is the risk, immediately safety incident potential and the non-audit compliance. So it is give the very clear idea. And fourth one, which is my favorite one, it is give the strategic Gemba work questions in the follow-up meeting. So what I need to ask, show me the current bottleneck at the door fitting, what changed from standard work, what immediate countermeasure I have take. So it is give the purely helping the AI leaders to analyze the data and to identify the risk and what does questions to ask in the follow-up meetings, which is really save their times. The secret isn't the technology, it is accountability. When you send a clear action plan to your team member after 5 minutes of the meeting, and you aren't a manager, you are a leader who is helping your team to move faster. By automating this, you are reducing the waste and you can focus to the other valuable things at your workplace. Stop being a note taker, start being a leader. I have put exact manual to digital prompt in the description. Copy it and use it in your next meeting. If you want to learn more about AI for leader workflow, hit the subscribe buttons. Let's lead smarter. See you in the next one.